Alright, so look, as a reminder, I want to say stay in touch with nature. Alright? I don't care what type of idea or language that you have for this existence that we see before us. Alright? Stay in touch with it. It's natural. I'ma guarantee you will not catch no cold, flu, or virus. Right? It's a little, touch it and you can feel the energy in it. So this one is a little dry, as you can probably hear and see. Okay? Look at it. So it's old, but it's still got energy flowing in it. And it has a story to tell. Now this right here, I got a little mad. Alright? So I apologize. I got a little mad. Came out here one night when everything wasn't going right. And, you know, this is what we do. We cause catastrophe too. You know? Don't you know that the God of the Bible got more homicides than anybody? This is facts. Read the Holy Bible. God killed nations. You know? So when we see the little passing away of a few people from their ill behaviors and existence, you know, there's no reason to get upset. Now, naturally, this was able to happen because inside, and this is the topic for today, dealing with that inside. Will this be you in the final frontier of what's going on? Huh? Will you snap under pressure? What pressure, mate? What type of pressure? I'm living good. I got a good job, drive a good car, got a beautiful woman, kids is getting ready to go to college. What are you talking about, mate? I'm not under no pressure. Well, I got news for us. You're going to find out a new story here in America. Alright? But if your insides is like this, it's going to happen. This is how most of us are. We rot, deteriorate from the inside out. So you look good outside. I'm talking about, I look good outside, right? Shining. Got the gold all on. You know. Proper tire. Hair representatively groomed. You know, it ain't to the American standard, but hey. The point is, what am I facing in this time of existence? What is my inside like? You know? Is it rotten? Whereas I end up being snapped, broken, and in a wrench-trotted condition. You already know what my objective is, people. And by means and ways of getting to my idea, it is imperative, not important.
Chart-topping, Grammy-winning, and
you need to be clear on this word.
Rise. Here
Don't understand it, look it up.
I'm Alan Kepler, taking a trip through the classic tunes of smooth jazz.
It is imperative
Russ Freeman and the
that you tap into something that is natural.
This is our new music.
Don't let everything about your existence be artificial. Or, you know what happens, right?
Is the fresh new single by saxophonist Daryl Beebe titled
We become artificial intelligence. Meaning that everything about my existence isn't real.
Road Trip is an inspiring tune for the spring and into the summer, and is rapidly climbing the smooth jazz national charts. Hear Daryl Beebe's Road Trip right here on iHeartRadio, and pick it up at your favorite online outlet.
Well,
welcome back to Smooth Jazz
we're not
Classics.
going to
In 1988, the Rippingtons
No
were part of
longer
the GRP record
accept
label, which was headed up by
someone
Dave
else's
Grusin.
idea
Their album Kilimanjaro
of what my life
yielded
should be
several smooth jazz hits, and the album reached number 3 on the
From
Billboard
this
Jazz
point on,
Charts. From the album, this is
we
Northern
wanna
Lights
make
by
all
Russ Freeman and the
conscious
Rippingtons on
And the
Smooth
decisions that
Jazz
we make,
Classics.
be sure that it is a decision that you are comfortable with, and that if anybody else says anything about the decision that I made, then you know what you could do with it. No, don't say nothing derogatory what they gave me. Just tell them go back and ponder upon it for a little longer. You may be able to see why I do as I do. I am who I am. See, I don't need to no longer live to be pleasing you. I don't care if it's wifey, husband, employer, reverend, pastor, counselor. I don't care who you are. Mr. President, you don't impress me. And I shouldn't have no impression on you. And if there is any type of impression, which reminds me of the word pressure, just be sure you don't be like that tree and get snapped. And if your insides is rotten, so look, the guy gonna get up out of here. I got to go. I just want to drop some positive information for today. For today is Sunday, and I am a product of being born and raised in America in the church tradition. And I just continue on doing what I was taught. You know, some of us fall by the wayside. Some of us just take certain degrees. I'm talking about you acolytes and altar boys and girls. However, most of you are original star-like guiders. So go on, continue on, all right? Do what you came to earth to do, you know? Look, did I tell y'all Big Boy was really, I didn't tell you that, did I? I didn't tell you right. We rolled out on Big Boy, you know, 900. So it is a little hefty. So like I said, communicate with nature like everybody else. You know, I'm out here. I just stepped out into the matrix. All right, where my original stream began, we was just right outside the polarity frequency of the matrix. All right, so when you get good enough, when you become a grandmaster, you be able to go in and out, in and out. You know what I mean? Like Casper the Friendly Ghost. You know what I'm talking about? Peace. The God is gone. You gotta get on my bike. People loving it out here. I want to enjoy this too. Make sure you do too, right? Always have a great life on purpose. So I'm gonna go because I'm always gonna keep stumbling and going because I just have so much beautiful information to give you, beautiful soul. You know, I done peeped into your Akashic record last night and I found that you're a beautiful being. You know, so before I say any more, have a great life on purpose. And I'm gone.